Hello, this is Raina with Lylo Crafts coming on today with 3 VRs and project shares for 3 incredible ladies. And so my first one is for Maryjane of Maryjanes Reviews, and she is hosting a birthday challenge. And to enter her challenge, you just have to be 18 or older. You must be a visible subscriber. And she's asking for Crafter's Choice. Now, there's not very much time left on this challenge, but I really want to encourage you to maybe send her a card or something. She's going through a really difficult time, and she was hoping to receive some things that would just bring a smile to her face for the day. And so with that in mind, I decided to send her some sweet treats. And so I have this sweet treat donut card that I made, and I filled it with some journaling cards for her in case she wants to write down her thoughts about what she's going through or special memories. My crafty bestie gave me this donut paper. She found some donut paper. She's knowing how much I love donuts right now. So I packaged this up for her. So some donut embellishments, as well as I found this sweet coordinating donut ribbon. Isn't that awesome? So I will put a link to Maryjane's channel in the description box below, as well as all the other ladies' challenge information. So please go and check them out and stay tuned. Let's jump into the next one. Okay, and my next one is for Sharon, who is from Cheap to Chic, and she is also hosting a birthday challenge, and she is asking that you give her an ATC. That's the most important thing that she wants. And so I am giving her one of my ATC cards that I love to put in this acetate right now. I'm putting one of these sweet little bunnies that I made, and I just put a sweet scallop punch behind it to just help the weight pop. And then I put my information in the back and a card on a pocket. The other thing she's saying is that you could send Crafter's Choice, whatever you love to make, and the more you send, the more points you get. So it's totally up to you what you want to send. And so I am sending her this very sweet rosette that I made with this bow and a matching bunny head to the bunny that I put on the ATC card. And then the thing that I love the most, I do not know why, are tickets of all kinds, all colors, all shapes. So I made these 2 raffle ticket embellishments for her. She can use them as bag toppers. So this one has a bow and it has a rosette. It's got this beautiful tulle with sewn down iridescent flowers on it, and it has a banner that says hugs. And then this one is a multi-layered paper flower, again with the same backing, and this time with a sweet little bunny head, and it says Happy Easter. And then I just thought I'd send her a couple other little goodies. And so I'm sending her some raffle tickets in case she'd like to try crafting with raffle tickets. And I put this sweet little clip with the Easter bunny on it that I got from Hobby Lobby. And then I'm using this beautiful tag that I got from Sally Lentz, and I'm sending her just some pretty little trim on this trim holder. So that she's going to pick her winner on March 27th. And so again, I'll put a link to her challenge in the description below. Now I have one more to share, and but before I do, I just want to say, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I would really love it if you subscribe, and all of you who are clicking the thumbs up, I so appreciate it because it really, really helps my channel. Okay, let's jump into the third and last one. Okay, and this last one is for Cosmo's Crafty Mom, and she is so sweet, and her dog Cosmo is so adorable, and she is celebrating her 2-year anniversary here on YouTube, and she is doing a Prince Charming giveaway. And so you have to be 18 or over and a visible subscriber. It's open to anyone, and your items just need to be postmarked by March 31st, so you still have time to do it. And then she's going to be be doing her drawing sometime in mid-April. Now, she's asking for an ATC card, but if you participated in her birthday challenge before and already sent her an ATC card, then you don't need to send another one, and I did that, so I don't have an ATC card for her this time by request, and all she's asking for are 5 charms. Just 5 charms. She even said on her video, no extras, please. And so I'm just going to send her a few more than 5 charms, sharing what I already have in my stash. And so I'm sending her some M&M charms, and then I'm also sending her some rabbits and some bunnies and some love and some Happy Mail charm, along with, I love this one. It's just a bow, a charm, and it has holes on both sides, so you can add something to it, as well as a key. And I will put a link to her challenge, her Prince Charming challenge, in the description box below as well. So thank you guys so much for tuning in today, and I hope you have an amazing day. Bye-bye.